What's up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review or my initial thoughts on Versace's Pour Homme. Before I get into that, my song mood of the day is Where Did You Sleep Last Night by Nirvana from their Unplugged album. Fantastic song, fantastic album, check it out if you haven't already. Now, as for my fragrance of the day, it is Versace's Pour Homme, and it is a fantastic fragrance. I paid $69 Australian for this from Priceline. You can also get the smaller 50ml bottle for $49. However, I had just opted to get the 100ml because for $20 extra you get double the amount. You'd be rude not to. As for the fragrance itself, the packaging first. Basic, but classy. Sort of like I want to say it's a blue, not quite as blue as my hair, but it is like a very deep navy or maybe a charcoal even with silver accents. It looks very classy with the Versace Medusa head there. Just looks great. I really like it. Understated, classy, sophisticated. And the bottle, the classic Versace Pour Homme look, classy, just looks great. I'll just show you this in comparison to Dylan Blue. Similar sort of vibe and look here. And I'll show you the bottle for Dylan Blue as well. It's a powerful scent. There you go. Identical except for the coloring. Now, Dylan Blue runs you $100 Australian. If you can get it on special, you get it for $100. And then Pour Homme will run you $69 for 100ml. If you're on a budget, I would recommend Versace Pour Homme over Dylan Blue. However, if you've got cash to spend, cash burning a hole in your pocket, get Dylan Blue. I prefer this fragrance. The subtle smokiness and incense vibe and the density and those amber notes. It's like Dior's Sauvage, except much better. How much of this have I actually worn? Oh, there's still a crap load of it left. I've only had it since Christmas anyway, so it shouldn't be anywhere close to being run out, given the size of my collection. But back to Pour Homme. It is a very fresh scent. It is bright, but the way the citruses are presented in the opening are very unique. It reminds me of Issey Miyake Pour Homme's Yuzu, except it isn't an Yuzu vibe here. What it is it's a realistic lemon lime profile, at least to my nose. It's bright and it's a little tart as well. And that brightness lifts up a lot of the floral notes that are in the mid. Rose in particular stands out to my nose. That's what makes this such a unique, fresh scent. I don't smell a lot of fresh men's scents that actually have rose in it. I'm used to smelling rose when it's paired with a woody note or oud even, but Versace Pour Homme, for the money, it is just about as versatile as a men's fragrance you can get. It's cold here today. Let me just tell you right now, it is cold here. It was like 15 degrees Celsius this morning. However, I wore this anyway over my new favorite, ombre leather. Put that in frame. Just because of how versatile it is. It smells masculine, it smells classy, sophisticated, and the combination of the citrus and the floral notes just make this head and shoulders above a lot of other fresh scents. I know I recommend things like Nautica Voyage, for example, being a fresh scent, but this is like night and day in terms of difference. At the price, I recommend it fully. Performance is awesome. I put this on after I showered the other night and I got over 8 hours on my skin. I could still smell it when I woke up. It's a fantastic fresh scent. It's good value for money. I know you're paying $70 for it. I get it. And that's only when it's on special too. I get that it's a bit on the pricier side for this channel, but it's value for money and you get what you pay for. It is a great scent. I've already received quite a few compliments on it as well. I mean, if you're just after dumb compliments, like simple little compliments for your fragrances, can't do a lot better than Versace Pour Homme. Like, there's not going to be anybody that dislikes the way this smells, except those like people that are huge into their fragrances and they just want to smell like a barnyard or something. Those blokes. And don't get me wrong, I love my animalic scents. I'm trying to build up a collection of, you know, powerful, offensive fragrances, but I'm not going to be wearing them out in public like some dickhead just trying to upset people. But yeah, you do you. Versace Pour Homme, it's an amazing scent. The versatility, the performance, the freshness, all seasons, all occasions. I mean, what more could you want in a fragrance? It just covers all the bases. And I'll also mention, I received this sample in the mail, Acqua di Gio Profondo Eau de Parfum. I liked the tester of this so much that I'm actually going to get a bottle. Here we go. It's 1.2 ml. I'm not going to spray it on camera just because I don't want to waste it. It smells quite similar to Acqua di Gio, obviously. However, it's got an amber note in it that makes it perform better in my opinion. And there's more happening. It's got a complexity that the original Acqua di Gio doesn't have. It's still aquatic, it's still fresh, but it has a lot more going on for it. And yeah, I'm gonna pick up a bottle and I will do a review on it. I might even just stick with this for the time being and do a review of that. But yeah, anyways, those are all of my thoughts on Versace Pour Homme for the moment. Have you ever worn this one before? If you have, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys around.